We are watching this video right now. That means you are curious to know how a secondary school boy is making over $300 in a month just by publishing books on his smartphone. Yes, that phone you are holding can make you over $300 in a month. How does he do it? How does a secondary school boy make such an amount of money? It is very simple. It is through Amazon KDP Publishing. If you don't know what Amazon KDP Publishing is, it is a platform that allows you to publish your books, and it is a platform that allows you to publish your books and then sell it for you. Then after the sales, you collect your royalty, which is you get paid after making sales. And how does these people do it? You don't need to be a writer to publish books on Amazon. You don't need to be a writer. You don't need a prior knowledge or experience. All you need to know is how to do it. If you can know how to do it, then you are an advantage to making $300, over $300 in a month. I'm going to show you how these people are doing it. Even a 14 years old is doing it. A cousin of mine, which is a little bit over 14 years, is making over $200 on Amazon monthly. Imagine a 14 years old. So I'm going to show you how those people are doing it. Just watch out. I'm going to show you right now. So this is Amazon KDP platform. This is their book publishing platform. I've already input all the content I want to input because I don't want to be inputting it right now, so the video won't be a long video. So the book title that I want to publish right now is You Can Have Her. The subtitle is How to Date Any Girl You Want. This book is about how to have a girlfriend. So you already know all the content is about. And the author of the book is W.J. Smallwood. You might be wondering, why can't you use your name? I can use my name, but I don't want to use my name because I want to use a pen name. What is the reason behind using a pen name? You get to know why and how later in the video. Then this is the book description. How do you generate your book description when uploading? You get to know how later in the video. Then publishing rights, I own the copyright. Even though I didn't write the book, but I still own the copyright. How do I get content from the book? You still get to know. These are the keywords. Keywords allow you to rank on the first page of Amazon or second page of Amazon. How do you generate keywords to rank on first page or second page of Amazon? You get to know about it. And this is the categories. There are many categories on Amazon. This is it. Let me show you all those categories, from hair to architecture, from art to family and relationship to medicine, all those stuff. You can see all the categories we have. How do you know the type of category you want to write a book on? How do you know the category you are writing a book on? Like I said, the book I'm writing is about how to have a girlfriend, which is love and romance and friendship. You can see family and relationship, love and romance, family and relationship, friendship. That is the category I'm writing books on. Then I'm ready to release my books now. All I have to do is just save and continue, so it will take me to the next platform, so I can input all about my books on. So I don't need to digital rights manager. I don't need it. Then I'm asked to upload my ebook manuscript. What they mean by ebook manuscript is your book content. I have to upload my book content. But how do these people get book content from their book? You get to know how later. So I'll just click on upload ebook content. Then let me go to my ebook content. Yeah. So I already have the content on my phone. I'll just scroll down to where it is, and click on it, and bam, it is already uploading. So easy and straightforward. Within not up to 2 minutes, I will just do everything. Then I'm asked to upload a book cover for your book manuscript. So how do you get a book cover you get to know how. Everything is done through the phone. You get the book content through your phone, cover to your phone. Everything is done through the phone. So here is the book cover. Sorry. So here is it. So that's my book cover. That's my book cover. How do you get it? I get it through a app called Canva. I did the book cover through Canva. But if you don't know how to use Canva, you get to know how later. So I will tell you how you can do all these things later by the end of this video. So that is, you can see it is already processing my file and processing my ebook cover. Let me just wait a little bit for it to process it finish. Then you can see you are converting your file. This may take a few minutes. You can download your book after conversion complete, but I don't need this ISBN. I don't need it for now. It is I only need it when I want to publish a paperback. Paperback is this what I'm doing right now is publishing ebooks, which is ebook, which they are ebooks are books you can read on your phone or your laptop. While paperback are books that are physical. Amazon ship it to you when you make payment for it. So let me just save and continue to the other to the pricing, and yeah, this is where I do my ebook pricing. I will enroll my ebook in KDP Select. Why do you think I should enroll the book in KDP Select? You get to know later in this video. Then I will click. You can choose 30% or 70% royalty on Amazon, but for this book I'm going with 70% KDP. Then I'm choosing $2.99. $2.99 for my book, and when Amazon make a sales of $2.99 for the book, I'll get paid $2.08. $2.08. That's what I get paid for every book. Every book Amazon says. So assuming they make like 100 sales within a week or a month, so I'm getting $200 for every sales that they made. So assuming you now have like 10 books that are generating 100 sales for you per month on Amazon, that's $200 and 10, that's $2,000 per month, just because you uploaded a one-time book. After you've uploaded, you don't have to do anything, just go back to sleep and Amazon will do the rest for you. Then I've input my price. All I have to do is just publish my book. So the book is already publishing. So that's it. It will be in review. The book will be in review. You can see it is already in review. So that is how that secondary school boy is having $200 in his account every month by uploading books on Amazon. So I know you are interested in this. If you watch this video to this stage, it means you are interested in this Amazon KDP offer. But if you don't know how to do it, that is where there is a setback, because you need to know how to generate content for your book. If you are not a writer, you need to know how to generate keyword, how to do your book cover, then how to know the category you want to place your books in, then how you can do your books description. You need to know all those things. And how do you know about it? Because you don't have the knowledge of how. That is why I made a course that can teach you everything you need to know about Amazon KDP, that will be fetching you over $300 per month. The course is very straightforward, teaches you how to generate all those things that I mentioned earlier. All you have to do is just follow the instructions in the course and you are good to go. So I will advise you, if you are really interested to get that course, I will put the link in the description box below, and just click on it and get access to it. I wish you best of luck.